Good evening. I just lost track of time. I was coloring this. So just see.
This is so beautiful.
One second. Hello.
Hi, Banda.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
You look very fresh today.
Yeah, imagine I woke up at 4:15 a.m. and I haven't slept till yet.
Oh my God. How
And
have
I'm
you
still
been?
very fresh.
Wow. That's the energy.
So yeah, tell me. You wanted to
Hello.
share, Jinal wanted to share, so one by one let's share.
Sure. I'll go off.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Tell me.
Yes, I am fantastic too. So me and Ruby ji, we've been working since 1st of May. Today is I think 17th. Yeah, and it's been very good. The way beautifully the things just pop up, the emotions when we are just thinking about um, working on the body.
Hmm.
And I feel much lighter. I feel much confident.
Hmm.
Uh, there are aspects which are just showing up, which I didn't knew were there, but then they are coming out now.
Hmm.
So it's a good feeling
Hmm.
that we have something to work with. And you
Hmm.
will not believe, like today morning, like I had something in my, like thoda kharash jaisa. Then I just put my logic mind ke, oh yeah, like yesterday AC was on, I had cold water and I slept, and that shit goes down with me when I do that. So I'm like, हाँ यही है. And then like I didn't discuss it in the like one-on-one when I do with Ruby, and it, it showed up to her. The magic was that it showed up to her throat. So we
Right.
did something on the throat chakra, like communication freely wala kiya.
Hmm.
And within half an hour, I was fine. Like my throat was fine. And it was just amazing. I mean, very good. Like, I'm very grateful for you to start this 1 month thing, though I have not been consistent with your class, but I have been consistent with the Ruby G thing, and we've been working together. And now I just feel like we both have just synced, like it just comes to us.
Right.
Like if I don't know the way it happened today, it was like I didn't say it, but then it came it to her. Maybe it was just
Yeah.
bound to happen, so it happened.
Yeah.
So it is just beautiful. Like I just find it very amazing.
Yeah, and
So
everybody can do that. Like even without these classes, this 1 month class, this is the first time I've ever done. Otherwise, I just do one Soul Temple workshop and then I tell people to pair up and they start doing Soul Temple among each other and then it works. Everybody
huh.
learns and everybody continues to do it. And still, till now, there are people who would have attended my Soul Temple workshop just once, maybe in Delhi, around like say 3 years back, and they
Okay.
messaged me that oh, we follow your Facebook page, so we started seeing the YouTube, and then we have this query, can you talk about this in your class? And we have been practicing Soul Temple, so all that is like because Soul Temple is so easy.
I was just going to say that because it is easy. So
Yes.
last Tuesday, I worked with my cousin. She had out of nowhere her ring finger of her left hand was swollen like crazy swollen.
Hmm.
And we did Soul's Temple for like 1 hour. Like we
Mm.
were just like I was just asking her, taking out emotions and what does it mean? Okay, this, what is
Mm.
this, what is this,
Mm. Mm.
blah blah. And the next day she said that it is less, the pain is less. In fact, right after the session, like before, her range of motion was different, and then the range of motion was more.
Right.
So that is how beautiful, like it was. And even she found it very amazing.
Yeah.
And she's young, like she's just 21. So I feel ये जो young वाला जो category है millennials वाला, अगर वो समझ ले ये सब चीज तो बहुत सारी
I have
पंगे कम
done
हो सकते हैं.
three kids workshop Souls Temple, age 4 to 15,
Okay.
and all of them do Souls Temple.
Wow. I
So
mean, I feel it is very much needed for the millennials and
anyone who
yeah.
practices, basically, it's a very beautiful, simple, easy tool, and those who practice definitely know how they benefit out of it. And I have had my teenager cousins, daughters, and people who tell acha theek hai masi, I'll practice it, and then they do, and they come back and say such amazing things just by simply doing a full body Souls Temple meditation, which I had started in March 2020. Means I had started, in the sense I made people do, and I had a SoundCloud audio of that. I just passed that, and plus she did a bit of yoga, diet, and after COVID, her sugar shooted to 550, and it just came to normal within 2 months. So I mean, there are a lot of such examples. Like, I'm not even surprised to hear.
Yeah,
I know it works.
I'm sure.
And the more people use it, the more people share it with other people. That is what is my desire. That use it and share it with other people. Make everybody know that it can be so simple. That
Yeah.
healing can be so damn simple. And you can heal your pains and aches in no time. And there are so many people who know it, and of course then they do other modalities and stuff like that, and they feel that okay, now we don't want to do Soul Temple, maybe this is better, that is better, and other things, which is not wrong. I mean, it's fine, you can use anything, any modality. For me, it is like, instead of doing nothing, do something.
Right.
I mean, even if it's a yoga, it's fine. If you're doing regular yoga, it's fine. If you're doing regular exercise, it's fine. If you're taking homeopathy medicines, it's fine. I'm not going to tell you, oh, don't take homeopathic medicines or don't do yoga and do Soul Temple. No, it's not like that. Soul Temple is always going to act as a catalyst to recovery. So
Right.
whatever you're doing, continue doing, add Soul Temple to that, because then the recovery will be like much faster than you can imagine. Yeah,
Yes.
so that's about it. So thank you, Jinal, for sharing. And Harveen, what did you want to share? You said you'll share it.
Oh, yes. Well, you did my womb healing the other day.
Right.
And after that, I was in class yesterday.
Mm.
Right. So I found this diary of mine, which I used for my work calculations and records and stuff. So it was lying just next to my bedside. So I just grabbed that because I had no other notepads here at home because it's all in the office.
Mm.
So I was writing down and taking notes with Neelam's class yesterday.
Mm.
And I just wrote on the left diary, like page, magic, magic, magic.
Mm.
And I just flipped the page and I found something so amazing. I had written, wait, let me read out for you.
Mm.
I sent to Babban Lee.
Mm.
So I was like, it was written, I don't know since how long, but I never was able to see it. I never acknowledged it. So I believe in Guruji, I told you, right? So I had written Shukrana Guruji for blessing me and Angad, that's my husband, with amazing, healthy, beautiful babies. We are blessed and happy. Our parents and our grandparents, and love and play with your grandchildren. Me and Angad are happy and blessed and enjoying parenthood. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
And I saw his portrait. Like, I will share, I just dropped you on your WhatsApp personal. So it was in just a page behind. it was written like that. I never was able to see it. Then I flipped through, and there was this page where I had written names
Mm.
of the of the children,
Mm.
and
Mm.
I just found that as well. And I then found acknowledgement, like my mother-in-law wrote it for me, some words for me, and that too had written babies in it. So I was like so stunned. Like, this is beautiful. Like, this is amazing magic. I shared that also to you.
And so you will be even more surprised if I tell you next what I thought.
Please.
After doing your womb healing that day, and then I sent you the audio of the womb healing, other one, right? I told
Yeah.
Baban to send it to you.
Yeah, you should.
And I just felt that if you do that for a couple of days, and I was thinking that, like, maybe there's one pregnant lady to whom not one, many pregnant ladies to whom I've given Soul's Temple for inviting a conscious being in the womb.
Right.
And then after a couple of months, they would message me, okay, it's a baby boy, it's a baby girl, or whatever that is. And then, so I would not even remember actually. I just give it and I'll tell that, okay, do this every day, and they would do. And then when the baby is born,
Right.
these babies are like such amazing babies. You can't even imagine how amazing they are.
Spies.
Okay,
Souls,
they are
right.
conscious beings. And so this has happened a couple of times in my universe. I've done that with a couple of people. And after your session, that day I was just standing in the balcony and I was like, it almost felt so real that, okay, another divine child is going to come and through you. And I was like, okay, fine. And I was like, okay, fine. Maybe I'll share that Soul Temple for a healthy and conscious baby to you. But then for a second, I was like, but does she even want one? Like, why am I thinking on those lines? Okay.
Right.
Then I said, okay, fine. If she wants one, the universe will bring it to my awareness through her.
Right.
And here you're talking.
And imagine, I woke up, I've been telling my husband, now you are a lot better. And I really want you to be a lot lighter. Like, I wanted to get him to this session. He's very conservative. It takes him a lot to open up. Right. So Babandi told me, why don't you tell Angad to just join one session? The other recording I sent him the other day and he heard it.
Yeah.
So I was like, Angad, acha chalo nahi aana, okay, because he's very conscious with FaceTime and he's in his own zone kind of person, right? So I told him, acha chalo, ye power padi hai, secret wali. At least start reading this.
Right.
And he read it once, and today when we woke up, like when he got up and got ready, he just took that book. Dude, you have no idea. When he opened it, he's like, ये इसमें एक छोटे से बेबी के पैर हैं. And because it came from my sister-in-law once, I don't know, like her child is now 3-4 years old. And I had kept that in that book. And then he flipped through, and then there was this card which says bundle of joy and we are parents. He was so delighted when I told him. Like when he showed me, I was like, wow, that's the universe answers. What more magic can we ask for?
Yes. And how much more magic can you be willing to receive?
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, that was my instant after that session when I went to the balcony. That was just my instant thought. And then we are talking about all this. It really makes me trust that, there is no coincidence in this universe.
Exactly.
And it's beautiful. So continue to do the womb healing. And then maybe after this 1 month thing, get in touch with me personally also. We'll talk about how to go about it. Okay?
Surely. And one more thing, you were just talking to Jinal about the Soul's Temple, you sent it. So I have no clue what Soul's Temple is. Like, I want to learn what exactly, how we can practice.
I'll send you the document and audio which we have.
Perfect.
Because there's a document and there's my Soul Temple teacher is Atman. Her audio video is there. I'll send all that.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Gratitude.
You're welcome.
Can you please send it in the group so that even I can save it?
It is already sent in all groups before, I think, but I don't know if now, maybe you all joined late. So I'll have to check.
Maybe.
And one more thing, I just remembered after saying that, okay, mera to WhatsApp ud gaya hai. So if I'll have to search if I have it or not. But still, it's available. I think I'll get it from someone and I'll share it.
I can give it to you.
You have all the ones?
Okay.
I
The
have the one, that one.
document and the PDF document about Soul Temple, and then Atman's Healer's Ocean link.
I will just go through it and I'll give it to you in your personal chat.
Sure. If there's anything of the past that you have, just send it to me. And nahi to fir I'll search it and I'll get it. The document I will have it because that's there in my PDF files. But the other things I have to check. So anyway, in short, basic is, Harveen, whatever is the pain or the discomfort, you just say, this pain is my soul's temple, whatever the pain is. My need for this pain is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of this pain is my soul's temple. Then you go to what does this pain make you feel? And then this feeling is my soul's temple. My need for this feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of this feeling is my soul's temple. Each of it 11 times. It's very, very simple. If you start doing it on a regular basis, your body will start giving you cues about where is the source of this pain and why is it persistent. And one by one, you can address everything and it will change.
Like yesterday after Neelam's class, there was this thing in me and it just released. When it was releasing, I was having vibrations on the left side of my back. And then I asked Babandi, she's like, let it happen. It's just releasing, which is happening with you.
Yeah, probably. So that is absolutely fine. Whenever you do any healing, there will be some symptoms, something that shows up on your body, and that's absolutely fine.
Right? And I don't know, there's one more thing I remembered. Like when his Bua expired, when I saw her for the last time, me and my father-in-law went and I saw her. And when I was on my way back, something struck me which said, I choose you. I came back home and I just told my husband, she's gonna come back through us, or I don't know. I have this very strong feeling why did I just hear choose you? And I had no acknowledgements that time. I just had so much self-doubt. But this was one thing which I just said very confidently. Because that's why we couldn't get a child till now was maybe this, she just blessed us in a way. And then how this links up happened, and then I told Baban Didi as well. She's like, even I felt it, my second child will be very, very pious, but I'm just not open to having a second child. And then you did healing for her, and miraculously, it just came to you. I came to you, and that session happened, which was just not a coincidence for sure.
Yeah, there is no coincidence, definitely no coincidence in the universe. And at the same time, yes, it is a choice whether we want to have a baby, don't want to have a baby. And it's not right or wrong. It's absolutely fine. It's just that if we would like to have a baby, it's very nice to, work towards welcoming a conscious being and creating a conscious life for the children. It doesn't take too much effort if you begin before even you conceive.
Right.
Okay, it's very simple. It's beautiful. There's one of my friend, gynecologist, Dr. Monica Singh in Dehradun. Monica is a medical doctor, gynecologist. For 21 years, that time 21 years, now it must be 25 years. 25 years, she's been running a hospital in Dehradun called Ayushman Hospital. She and her husband is a heart specialist, I guess. And, but she got into, we met at Radical Healing, and then we had conversations, long conversations for a very, very, frequent intervals. And then she integrated science and spirituality, and she wrote this book called Awakening in the Womb.
Okay.
By Dr. Monica Singh. Okay, it's a brilliant book. And all the people whomever I have recommended who have had like like real-time fertility issues, like medical fertility issues. Through her sessions, healing sessions and medical help put together, they've been able to conceive. They now have baby also, and everything is going good. So when Monica launched her book, because I was so connected to her then, she had invited me for the launch and all, but that time I couldn't go. However, I used to do a lot of promotion for her book at that time when it had just come out. It's been long since even I haven't connected to her, maybe in the last 1 year at least. But yeah, I know that she's now in the process of writing her second book around it. So when a gynecologist doctor does something like this, merges spirituality and science, and then she talks about it in the open, and in the launch there were politicians, there were bureaucrats, there were big people, because they know a lot of people, and everybody gave like great testimonies about the book. And later on, there are so many people who have given testimonies as to how after reading that book and after connecting to Monica, they've had like brilliant babies, and the pregnancies have been easy, and a lot more. So
Right.
one is that, like, Dr. Monica Singh is one person who really, really inspired me to work on those lines also, to bring in healthy babies, conscious babies. And after that, of course, I have my Soul's Temple, and I have my other things that I do, which are very instrumental. There was a case that I had taken where this girl conceived twins, and they knew me even before she conceived. So after she conceived, one baby died in the womb out of the twins. Now, all the doctors and everybody had a point of view that if one baby dies, there's a possibility that the other may die or may have some issue or something, because this is there and you can't remove that one baby in between. So she connected to me that, Banadia, what can you do for this and all of that. And I did a shamanic journey. We did some, protection for the baby and a lot of things. And then I gave her Soul's Temple to do every day. And of course, the baby was born healthy. And after that, couple of more times I worked with her. She continues to do Soul's Temple. The baby continues to be healthy, God's grace, like everything is good. Okay. So
it's just the power of belief as well. That's what I believe.
It's like, faith, of course.
If I believe in you, so things work for me. If I tell somebody else who doesn't believe in it and I just push them to be a part of the class and stuff,
it won't work. Definitely.
Yeah, right.
Force never works. I mean, even if you're a part of the class and you still, there are people who have benefited and still they would leave it and they would not do it. I won't even force them. I don't force anybody, because by force, any enforced change is not natural, and the person will go back to the same point where they started if it is an enforced change. When change is natural, it's completely different. You, like, if you try and control something and then you change it via control, it's like, pulling an elastic, it will go back to its normal form one day or the other. You may extend it and keep it in a clamp and keep it like that for 10 years, and then also when you remove it, it will go out of shape.
Right. So, but this was very astonishing. Like, so many messages just in 2-3 hours. Like, I was like, it was written 4-5 years back, and I never went through it. I couldn't even eye it. Yeah. Why? Because now
you're ready.
Yeah, that's the point. I wasn't ready. I was like, I don't want because the fear of my childhood suppressed somewhere me to be one.
And that day, the thing that we've done with your stepmom and with your mom and that we did, it looks like, oh, we just did it in 15 minutes, but it's very, very, very powerful what we did.
Yes,
it's a very powerful healing that we did. It's just because that day you were, you were completely receptive. And when people are 100% receptive, I can like really go deep inside and bring about whatever change is required. Sometimes even just one time is enough.
My husband was like, तुझे कैसे दिख गया? मुझे तो नहीं दिखता ये सब.
And that's fine, I guess. It's
Yeah.
absolutely fine. It's a very, I think, woman man thing.
Yeah. And like he's never been a studious kid and stuff.
Yeah.
The Power and Viana's The Art of Theta Healing Introduction are the only two books he's read all entire book in his life. And you know what he told me? तू पता है ये 2-2 पेज भी पढ़ ले, but ना this is very good. हाँ मैंने पहले पढ़ी थी फिर मैं भूल गया. Now I'm practicing it again. तो तू अपनी क्लास के साथ ना ये भी पढ़ा कर. It's very magical.
So which means he's also in tune with it, which is great.
Yes.
Super.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. So anybody has anything else to ask, share?
Ma'am, I wanted to share one more thing.
Tell me.
So from last, I think August or September, I was wanting to start. So I'm a yoga instructor by profession. So I've been wanting to start pranayam class because of COVID and recovery. It would help and etc. etc. But then I never really had the courage to go out there and do the marketing and put myself out there on Instagram and start putting my opinion out there. But right after the Souls Temple, like I got associated with you, and I don't know, it is just that universe brought people in my life wherein they literally pushed me to do it. I had people who were pushing me since like 2 years, but then I was not doing it just because of low self confidence.
Yeah, I remember that session we did. Yeah.
Poor self-image, low self-confidence, the fear of judgment of people because yoga instructors look like a certain way and I don't fit into that society category of how they should be looking.
Yeah.
And I have been going out there and doing my things. I'm making reels and I'm going out there full-fledged. And I would definitely like to thank Souls Temple for pushing, like that and making people available for me to, they like literally got on my nerve and they're like, do it, do it, do it. And like, I'm like, okay, let's do it.
And
So
Souls
the
Temple,
first-
actually, Souls Temple doesn't push you. Souls Temple reveals you to you.
yeah. So
Whatever
today was my
is
first
hidden and masked and covered starts unfolding, and then you become you and whoever you
Today
are.
was the first day, and I was anxious, little bit nervous in the morning, but then my afternoon class went really well, and
Awesome.
I'm happy about the afternoon class. Thank you so much.
Very good. Very good. And you don't have to worry. I have a friend, my college time friend, who's MSc yoga. Okay. Which means she's done degree in
Okay.
teaching yoga. And then she got thyroid and
Yeah.
her body weight increased. Okay. Still, she has been,
Right.
instrumental in teaching, not just teaching yoga, doing yoga therapies for people because she's learned it to some another level. So, but she does it.
Level.
Yeah, she does the yoga despite her body weight and despite whatever she looks like. And she teaches, I mean, whoever is willing to receive. There are people who judge her, there are people who receive also. So, but that's
Yeah.
okay. That is everywhere. Like, even there will be people who judge me, and there are people who receive me. So, there's that will any which ways exist. There will always be people who will judge, and there will always be people who will be there to receive. What we are focusing on is what is going to decide how much we are able to reach out.
Ma'am, can we do something on being able to go into this new phase of life with ease or something on those terms? Souls Temple for that, right?
We can. What is new phase?
Going out of comfort zone, growing,
Okay.
leaving
And
the old life.
leaving the old life, and what about the old life is good and what about the old life is not so good?
The old life is good because it is very relaxed,
Hmm.
chill, chill life,
Hmm.
and there is no pressure
Hmm.
to create content or put yourself, putting my work or putting my opinion out there.
Hmm. Hmm.
It's not even about opinion, it is just about, like that consistency of
Hmm.
putting things
Hmm.
on the page and everything.
Hmm. So that was old life was chilled and it was a comfort zone and there was no need for consistency, no pressure. And what is the new life according
Yeah,
to you? What is it going to be like?
it's going to be busy. I'm not too sure whether I would have the time to chill that much the way I used to chill, like Netflix or just mindless scrolling on the gram.
Hmm.
Uh, it is even about uh, feeling the pressure to keep uh, to keep being consistent.
Hmm.
मतलब वो पोस्ट करने के लिए और वो सब एक
Hmm.
कंसिस्टेंसी एक कमिटमेंट वो है
Commitment,
करना
consistency.
करना
Okay.
है.
Hmm. And less chilling according to you. Huh. Okay.
More hard work, more
More
busy
hard work.
schedule, like legit, like from last 2 weeks I'm left right center just being on calls and managing teams.
Right.
So I just feel that I'm getting that feeling कि यार हाँ यार मतलब सक्सेस जो लोग होते हैं जो इतना बहुत सुबह से लेकर शाम तक हुआ लाइक इंजीनियर टाइप लोग कैसे मैनेज करते होंगे. I get that. I will not say pity feeling, but I'm just like, how do they manage?
Okay, cool. Just today I was reading something very beautiful. I'll read that and then we'll do Soul's Temple. So there's a friend, colleague of mine, Pratima Nagaraj, and she's in Singapore, I guess. She does these classes. Apart from Access, she does other classes about wellness and health and fitness. So, Science of Progress Beyond the Weighing Scale by Pratima Nagaraj. More energy through the day, good sleep, wake up without alarm, enjoying exercise and movement, light stomach, no bloating, clothes that fit you better, your labs are good, I mean, basically, medical report. You have healthy ways to manage stress, no cravings for sugar, coffee, junk foods, improved mood, healthy hair, nails, and skin. You feel confident and more you. Does this feel like a perfect recipe? When I saw this this morning, I was like, yeah, I'm feeling all of this. Thank you, Pratima. Cool. So you can do Soul Temple for this whole thing only. That clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having a light stomach is my soul's temple. No bloating is my soul's temple.
Send it across on the group.
A good sleep is my soul's temple. More energy throughout the day is my soul's temple. Healthy medical reports are my soul's temple. Having healthy ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Improved mood is my soul's temple. And then healthy hair is my soul's temple. Healthy nails and skin is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident and being more of me is my soul's temple. Like that, you can just do 11 times each every day. I guess that would be enough.
So, ma'am, in this also we do the all the three statements.
Just
The
one.
need for
Because it's
the
positive,
first
so we
one.
don't need to do my need or anything. You just need to do that. Just those statements 11 times.
Yes.
Okay, so that you can do. I'll forward it on the group. And, or we'll do it now. Let's do it. Chalo. Let's see how it feels. Okay.
I'll put myself on look.
Yeah. Let's do it. I can give courtesy to Pratima Nagraj, and I'm just using what she's written with Soul's Temple here. I think I'll tag her when I put it on Instagram or Facebook. Connect to your body and connect to current energy. How much you're feeling right now? What is the energy level like right now in this moment? Are you feeling like a little exhausted, or you're feeling cheerful, or you're feeling confident, or you're feeling lack of confidence, or whatever that may be? Just make a mental note of how you're feeling, and on a scale of 0 to 10, what is that feeling? The negative part of it, like how much is that?
Done.
Cool. Being more energetic through the day, I'm changing a little bit because it just felt right. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Being more energetic through the day is my soul's temple. Sleeping, sleeping well and waking up fresh. I would just write light, waking up lighter. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Sleeping well and waking up lightheaded is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Enjoying physical movement and exercise is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Having a light stomach without bloating all through the day is my soul's temple. Clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. Having clothes that fit me better are my soul's temple. My healthy medical reports 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 are my soul's temple. Having constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Choosing constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Choosing constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Choosing constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Choosing constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Choosing constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Choosing constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Choosing constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Choosing constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Choosing constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Choosing constructive ways to manage stress is my soul's temple. Cool. Food, no cravings for food that's non-contributing is my soul's temple. No craving for food that is non-contributing is my soul's temple. No cravings for food that is not contributing is my soul's temple. No cravings for the food that is not contributing is my soul's temple. No cravings for the food that is not contributing is my soul's temple. No cravings for the food that is not contributing is my soul's temple. No craving for the food that is not contributing is my soul's temple. No craving for the food that is not contributing is my soul's temple. No craving for the food that is not contributing is my soul's temple. No craving for the food that is not contributing is my soul's temple. No craving for the food that is not contributing is my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved mood is my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved moods are my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved moods are my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved moods are my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved moods are my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved moods are my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved moods are my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved moods are my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved moods are my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved moods are my soul's temple. Healthy hair, nails, skin, body, and improved moods are my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Feeling more confident about being myself is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Being consistent at all of these is my soul's temple. Okay, is anything happening to anybody while saying these?
Yeah, I could feel lot of sensations from the center of my chest, but from the back, not from the
Hmm.
front area, back. And that same, that वो जो एक वो पेन का जो एरिया है वो वापस वहाँ पे वापस sensations आया.
Hmm.
And initial statements what we did, there was a lot of release happening, and I felt I was going to cry, like my eyes were moist.
Hmm. So definitely something is releasing.
Yeah, definitely.
Right now, is there any pain in any part of the body?
That center of the upper back,
Okay.
I don't know, it's just there. And it's like say for example, if I'm lying flat on the back, and if I just stretch my hands above my head, और वो जो point जो जमीन पे touch होता है
Here.
back का, that.
Okay. Fine. Okay, this
Can you
point.
see?
Yeah, I get it. I get it. Hmm. Okay. So, has there been any experience of backstabbing or something in your life?
Okay, I will not say backstabbing, uh, but I will say my best friend had hid a relationship of 2 years with me.
Hmm.
So it didn't feel like backstabbing, but it happened behind my back. It was like though I was her best friend, I didn't know.
Okay. Like that. Hmm.
Huh, that's it. Like the minute you said, that was the thing that popped in
That
my head.
that popped up. Okay. Cool. One second. Hmm. I'll just give you the exact affirmation.
Yeah.
Hmm. 85.
Yeah, like there is no other thing that kind of resonates with backstabbing or something.
Right. I got it.
Yeah.
So, oh, this I've already made a soul symbol of it long, long back I made, and now it's coming again. I'm just reading it out. Let the fountain of joy within you inspire others to awaken joy in their life. Collectively enjoy, celebrate, and have fun with all who are around you. If sadness and grief could be contagious, happiness and joy could be more contagious. Enroll and inspire others to lead a happy life. Help them shed their inhibitions and experience a sheer thrill at the moment. Let your life be a series of celebrations. So, this is that particular point. I enroll one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me. Okay. So, we'll just do enrolling one and all around me to have joy, fun and joy along with me is my soul stem. Enrolling one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me is my soul's temple. Enrolling one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me is my soul's temple. Enrolling one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me is my soul's temple. Enrolling one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me is my soul's temple. Enrolling one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me is my soul's temple. Enrolling one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me is my soul's temple. Enrolling one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me is my soul's temple. Enrolling one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me is my soul's temple. Enrolling one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me is my soul's temple. Enrolling one and all around me to have fun and joy along with me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. The fountain of joy within me is my soul's temple. Being willing to be popular. Being willing to have name, fame, popularity, recognition is my soul's temple. Being willing to have name, fame, popularity, recognition is my soul's temple. Being willing to have name, fame, popularity, recognition is my soul's temple. Being willing to have name, fame, popularity, recognition is my soul's temple. Being willing to have name, fame, popularity, recognition is my soul's temple. Being willing to have name, fame, popularity, recognition is my soul's temple. Being willing to have name, fame, popularity, recognition is my soul's temple. Being willing to have name, fame, popularity, recognition is my soul's temple. Being willing to have name, fame, popularity, recognition is my soul's temple. Being willing to have all the name, fame, popularity, recognition is my soul's temple. Being willing to have all the name, fame, popularity, and recognition is my soul's temple. Yeah, what's happening?
You touched the last part completely on dot.
Yeah, because my nose was twitching. And this is the point for name, fame, popularity.
Same for me as well. You just hit it right, chord. With the
Because
last part.
when I start doing Soul's Temple for any group, my body starts showing what's going on. And this was constantly like doing something, and I was like, okay, fine. And
And
then
with the fountain of inner joy, I just could relate with the inner child. I don't know how. Like it just gave a huge smile, and inner child was like enjoying it.
awesome. Yeah,
Yes, and the pain is less, almost 50% less.
perfect. So do this every day. It'll change.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Vandana. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.